Veterans, Happy New Year. What a beautiful day it is here in Duval County, Florida. It is January 1st, 2021, and today is the first day that we are accepting applications for the 2021 Five-Star Veterans Memorial Trust Fund grants. I am David Trotty, Chairman of the Veterans Council of Duval County. The new guidelines and protocols can be found at our webpage and through our Facebook page. Your organization was also emailed a copy of the guidelines and protocols. Please ensure that your Veteran Service organization is utilizing the 2021 guidelines and protocols that were just voted in on December 15, 2020. Today, I want to give you some important dates to remember for this grant season. January 15, 2021 is the final day that grant applications will be received. Your Veteran Service organization must have their completed application along with all supporting documents submitted no later than January 15, 2021. If your application is late, not fully completed, or missing any of the supporting documents, it may not be considered. So therefore, understand the importance of completeness, as there are no exceptions. If you have any trouble understanding how to write a grant, NOVA is providing a free grant writing workshop on January 12, 2021. I will provide more information regarding this workshop in my SITREP that should be published in the next few days. On January 19, 2021, we will announce the grant applicants at our monthly meeting held at the American Legion Post 137. The grant committee will then vet and discuss applicants to make their recommendations to our executive board. On March 16, 2021 at 6 p.m., we will be conducting a public hearing for our Veteran Service organizations in good standing with the Veterans Council of Duval County. At this hearing, each VSO will be allotted 2 minutes to discuss the grant applications. After the hearing, the grant committee will meet and discuss any issues or concerns that were raised at the hearing. And at the conclusion of our meeting, the grant committee will provide their recommendations that will be submitted to the City of Jacksonville for funding. Please be mindful, while our deadline to submit the names of the grant recipients to the City of Jacksonville is April 1, 2021, the grants will not be funded until October 2021. I appreciate this opportunity to be your chairman of the Veterans Council of Duval County, and I am thankful to VyStar and the City of Jacksonville to give the veterans of Duval County this opportunity for these funds to help with their programs and for veterans in need. Have a blessed day, a happy new year, Semper Fi, and God bless.